Tristan, say Merry Christmas. Tristan, Merry Christmas. Daddy's distracting you, huh? Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yeah. Who's that from? It's from Santa. Get it. We got the bow. You're just content with the bow because it's shiny? Whoa, Bug. What's that? Who's that from? Love Mom and Dad.
To your friend Melissa.
It's upside down. Who's that from? Is that from Nana and Papa? Or Nana and Grandpa?
Oh, just a lot more after usual.
Yeah, he's got one more from
The one that we did.
Grandma
now.
Taylor. Yeah.
Tatas. Spoiled baby.